Hi folks, Tim the Constructor. I've got my little compressor here. I've got to carry out some modifications because it's driving me up the wall now. It used to come, or it came with one of these blue coil stretchy hoses which they just break within about 10 seconds. So to get me out of trouble, I've put the hose directly on the side there. And the other problem I've got with this hose is that this fitting here leaks air. Even with a tool plugged in, it still leaks air, which means that the compressor keeps cutting in, which is, it's not the quietest of compressors. It's good, it's got about a 2-gallon tank. It got up to 100 psi, which is more than enough, and it'll run my pinner all day long without any problems. Only needs about 80 psi to run that anyway, so it's got more than enough capacity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a quick release. I'll take this fitting off here. I'm going to put a quick release into there, put a spigot onto this end of the hose, and then I'm going to cut this off and put a new quick release onto the end of that. So that should stop future leaking, so it'll be more efficient and won't keep cutting in all the time. Okay, let's get some stuff together and get on with it. Okay, so use a screwdriver to undo the hose clamp. Pull that off of there. Okay, adjustable spanner or wrench, depending on what part of the world you come from. We can turn that anti-clockwise. Just remove that. You find that they're a 1/4 inch tapered thread on those. Got some PTFE tape, and we're just going to put hold it in your left hand and just turn clockwise with the tape. Put about 12 winds on there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just break that off, and then we can insert that back into there. Let's see that from there. Clockwise again. Remember the saying, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just do this up so it's reasonably tight. Don't really crank on it. Because it's a tapered thread, you could end up splitting the fitting. So that's okay. So that's the quick release into there now. Now, the next thing we're going to do is, I did inspect the hose before. It's dirty, but it's a good quality rubber hose. It's still in very good condition, so I'm just going to change the fittings. the adjustable on the other end, do that up. see you on the next one.